So I'm going to show you what to do in case your MacBook Neo loads a blank screen on startup. So you've just started your MacBook Neo and it's a blank screen, even though the laptop is on. So what do you do? Now, first thing you can do is force a shutdown. So long press on the power button. Just keep pressing, keep pressing. Just keep holding that button until the screen goes dark, and now you've successfully forced a shutdown, and then you can try and start it back up and see if it loads up a screen. If that doesn't work, then you can try and force another shutdown and then load it up into the startup options. So let's go ahead and force another shutdown. The reason why we're forcing a shutdown is because if the screen is blank, then you cannot navigate to the shutdown options. Anyway, so it's now shut down. So you want to press and hold the power button and continue holding. Even if you see the Apple logo, just keep holding until you see loading startup options. There you go. So once you see loading startup options, you can let go. And then you can go into options and hit continue. Now select your user account and then click on next, then put in your password. And then you want to go into disk utility, hit continue, and then you want to go ahead and select first aid. All right. So that's going to run the diagnostics of your machine, trying to check if there's any problem and automatically fix any problems you might be having with your laptop. Now, with that done, you can go ahead and click on done and then go to the top left corner, click on the Apple logo, and then restart your machine. Now, you might want to try and connect an external monitor just to confirm that the display of your MacBook Neo is not the issue. So if you connect an external monitor and it still doesn't work, then the problem might be with your laptop, in which case you should go to your nearest Apple shop and have them check it out. Okay. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope one of the solutions I gave fixed your problem. Thanks for watching and good luck.